In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Logitech camera for Google Meet in just a few minutes. Whether you're getting ready for an important presentation, setting up a chat with family or friends, or preparing for your next virtual meeting, having the right camera setup is crucial for a smooth and professional experience. Let's dive into the process and ensure that your Logitech camera is ready to go. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start an Instant Meeting. This is a quick way to jump into a meeting room where you can adjust your settings and configurations without the pressure of joining an actual call. After entering the instant meeting, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the option for video settings. Clicking on video settings will give you access to a variety of options related to your audio and video devices. This is where you can personalize and tweak your settings to suit your needs. Next, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new window filled with numerous settings specific to your meeting and device preferences. Within this window, locate and click on the tab labeled Camera. This is where the magic happens and where you get to select the specific camera you wish to use during your Google Meet sessions. Now, on the camera settings page, you'll find a drop-down menu with all the available camera options connected to your device. Here, you want to make sure to select your Logitech camera from the list. Once selected, you should see an immediate preview of your video output, confirming that your Logitech camera is now active and ready to use. This setup ensures that every time you start a meeting on Google Meet, your Logitech camera is the default device used for video. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set your Logitech camera as the camera for Google Meet video calls. This process not only enhances the quality of your video streams, but also guarantees a more professional and seamless experience for both you and your call participants. And there we have it, your Logitech camera is all set up for upcoming Google Meet sessions. Remember, making sure your hardware integrates well with your software is key to ensuring high quality video conferencing. With your Logitech camera all set, you're ready to engage in crisp, clear video calls. Thanks for tuning in and happy meeting.